Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Vaadin project from the very beginning. In here I'm having a brand new installation of Ubuntu, but of course you can start with any OS you like. The first thing we need is IntelliJ, which is one of the most common IDEs for Java development. In its download page you can find the free community version here. I have already downloaded it and extracted it here. So to start IntelliJ, I will go to the bin directory and run the idea.sh script. For now, using default configuration is enough, so I will just move on. And I can create a new project using Maven. And there is a red text here saying that IntelliJ didn't detect the Java in my computer. So I will go to download the Java development kit. After downloaded, I extracted it here. I will go back to IntelliJ and point to that location. And Java is ready for IntelliJ. Next, I will create the project from an archetype. So a Maven archetype is like a project template with initial settings, folders, and file structure. It's just like a complete Hello World application where you can immediately start your development. So I will go to the Vaadin website to see what is the archetype of a Vaadin project. I'll go to the product, framework 8, and scroll down to where is it? Get started. The instruction here is about using Maven in command line, but I'll do the same way in Maven in IntelliJ. Since I know that the archetype information, group ID is com.vaadin, artifact ID is Vaadin archetype application, and the latest version is 8.3.2. I'll go back to IntelliJ and create a new archetype with those information. Make sure that I have selected that archetype. I'll go next. And for this project, I will name it like for Maven information, I will use the Maven inside IntelliJ, which is here. Next. And the location for project, then finish. Let's wait for Maven to download all the dependencies and the archetype as well. Now it's ready. You can see that a very simple Vaadin application has been created here. It would be much more interesting than just a hello world message. But how to run it? Let's back to the instruction here. It said that we can run the project with the command line Maven package jetty run, but I will do the same way for Maven in IntelliJ by going to the run, edit configurations. and I will add a new Maven run. The name for the run, let's say run demo, whatever you like. And the command line is package yeti cons run. After that, we will have the run here. Just run it. Again, let's wait for Maven to do its miracle stuffs, downloading and verifying dependencies, packaging the project, and starting an internal server for the application. I can see the server is now ready on port 8080. So let's go to the web browser. Boom, it's here. Thank you for watching. Great. It works. Thank you for watching.